मज़ीद इस तरह की वीडियोस देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन का बटन प्रेस करना हरगिज़ ना भूलें।
Good morning everyone, I am Abed and today I will be going to a bus tour arranged by Airmart Travels, and one of my friend Naveed Anjum, he requested me to shoot this video, and that's why today I will be taking the videos. And this buses tour I will be going from Tokyo to Chiba, then Chiba to Kanazawa prefectures, and I will be sharing many beautiful videos. Of course I will take the ferry ride, so guys, stay tuned. This is AquaLine, which is located in Chiba Prefecture, a man-made tourist spot. The first destinations of our today's bus tour, and to travel here you need to drive the one of the most longest tunnel in Japan, which length is about 9 kilometers. You see the incredible view. The second spot of our bus tour, second stop is actually, and now you can see I am in the top of mountains, and this mountain is about 350 meters height, and to get here you need to take an cable car ride from there, as you can see from there, and the ticket would be like this one, and with the help of that you can get into this top of the mountains. And here you can see the cable car. This is the other side of the mountains. Actually, this mountain is located in the Chiba Prefecture, which is in the north side of Tokyo. Now I am at Nokogiriyama. That cliff, it is named as Jigoku Nozoki. That means the view of hell, the famous cliff in the Chiba Prefecture in Nokogiriyama. And you can see the surrounding area. This is the another one cliff. Nokogiriyama, where you can see the incredible views. That one, and which is called as view of hell, the famous tree in Chiba Prefecture. Now I am in Chiba Bay side, and in front of me you can see the Love Bell, a popular Love Bell, which is very famous tourist spot in Chiba. And see all the love locks, where Japanese people used to believe that locks all them together. You can see the one couple, they put love locks here to strengthen their love locks. And look at the surroundings. And there you can see the cable car in Nokogiriyama, which I traveled before today. In that top of the mountains, you can see that only you can reach by that cable car. Then you can, there is a lot of stairs to visit those. Right now I am in the bay side of Chiba Prefectures, and whereas in this side it was Chiba Prefectures and the other side it was Pacific Oceans. As you can see these waves, and that mountain, that is called Nokogiriyama, which I have been there before. And that white tower, it is the tower for traveling the cable car. As you can see, there's that one cable car which I have traveled before. To access that at the top of the mountains, you need to, the cable car is the only one option here. And this is the fish market of Bayside Chiba. And now I am heading to Yokohama from Chiba, I think, with ferry rides. And this ferry rides, it is also included with this today's bus tour. As you can see, that we are departing from Chiba Tokyo, Chiba Bayside, and we are heading towards Yokohama. This is the first time in my life to ride in ferry in Japan. See the incredible videos within the Pacific Oceans. And that side, the land area, that is the Chiba Prefecture. And this ferry is heading towards Yokohama Prefecture of Japan. And this tour, this ferry ride, it's also included within the bus tour. As you see, in the middle of the, I am in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. So right now, again in Ueno stations, after the tours, the tour has ended at 7 p.m. You can easily find by searching Airmart Travel at Facebook to join the bus tour. This bus tour was conducted in Tokyo or near Tokyo, like Chiba Prefecture, Kanazawa, Saitama, this kind of prefectures. The famous tourist spots they will take you, and these tours are very convenient. See you next time.